come with me to the Builder Design Center with my client to pick out all the design options for her new townhouse. We first started with flooring because that was the most important thing to her, and that's where the bulk of her money went. It was about $25,000 for flooring. Then we picked tile. There's backsplash tile. There's bathroom floor tile. There's shower tile. There's shower floor tile. As you can see, there's so many options. We then picked out all the faucets and fixtures for the bathrooms and the kitchen. The cabinets, there's definitely a lot of different levels of cabinets. And of course, the countertops. Most people pick different countertops for the kitchen and bathroom, bar areas. These are the pendant lighting she had to pick out for the kitchen. And as you can see, there's all the shower heads, kitchen sinks. Then there's like 7 or 8 different levels of granite, quartz for the countertop. And we even have to pick out the grout for the flooring and for the backsplash. About 3 hours later and $50,000, she had picked everything out and is very happy with her selections.